Perilla. It's a traditional Chinese herb. It has more than 2,000 years of history in China. Well known in China as zisu, it has long been used as Chinese medicine, firstly recorded in book of 伤寒杂病论, treatise on cold disorders and miscellaneous diseases, written by Zhang Zhongjing in Eastern Han Dynasty of China. The entire plant is aromatic and edible. It is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, helps with colds, phlegm cough, allergies, also reduces risk of food poisoning. Now you won't be surprised why sashimi is always been served with perilla. Perilla was introduced into ancient Japan and has been widely farmed since Japanese Han period. In Japan, well known as shiso, shiso now becomes to a popular ingredient for Japanese food. There are so many ways to enjoy shiso. In this video, I would like to share how to make shiso juice. Rinse shiso leaves for 2 times. Prepare lemon juice. Two-liter boiling water. Add shiso to boiling water. Simmer for 3 minutes. Once leaves color change into green, strain and press to extract all the remaining juice. Use kitchen paper as filter. Add rock sugar. Mix well until dissolved. Now the magic time is coming. By pouring in lemon juice, the color will transform to bright pink. Get rid of those floating. The romantic shiso juice is waiting for you. Its color, fragrance, and taste will all make you happy. Don't forget, shiso also has beauty effect. Hope you will like it.